How to watch live football on YouTube TV in Japan. Step number 1, subscribe to a VPN service. Choose a reliable VPN provider that offers servers in the United States, such as NordVPN or ExpressVPN. Download and install the VPN application on your device. Step number 2, connect to a US server. Open the VPN app and connect to a server located in the US to obtain a US IP address. This is necessary to access YouTube TV, which is only available in the US. Step number 3, subscribe to YouTube TV. With the VPN connected, go to the YouTube TV website and sign up for a subscription. Complete the sign-up process and choose your plan. The base plan includes over 100 channels like CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, which broadcast various football games. Step number 4, install the YouTube TV app on your device. Download and install the YouTube TV app on your preferred device. Step number 5, sign into your YouTube TV account. Open the app and sign in using your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 6, search for live football games. Use the search function in the app to find specific football games or browse through the live or sports sections to discover ongoing or upcoming matches. Step number 7, start streaming. Select the game you want to watch and it will begin streaming live on your device. Alternative option, local streaming services for football in Japan. Step number 8, subscribe to DAZN Japan. This is optional. Visit DAZN Japan to access live football coverage, including international leagues. Subscribe to the service and start streaming live games. Step number 9, visit the NHK World Japan website. Optional. NHK World Japan provides live news and sports coverage, including football. Visit their website or YouTube channel for more details.